Hi guys, welcome again to Sunny Box Break. Thanks again for the fail. Alright. Today we are doing this SBB number 941 Panini Revolution Soccer 1 case 8 box break. So thanks again for the fail. Of course, if you'd like to get more information in all the upcoming breaks, make sure to join our Facebook group Sunny Box Break. Alright, you can actually scan the QR code down below. That will directly brings you to our page. And subscribe to our YouTube channel, Sunny SBB, so you get notified when we go on live. And follow us on our Instagram, Sunny Box Break. Let's go. Teams on the right, good luck everybody. Channel wrong, going in big. You got Ronaldo and David Beckham. So good luck, good luck. Just tag channel wrong. Alright, Victor, you got Marcus Rashford. Giggs is current sack, so good luck. Alright, we got for Liverpool, Brian, you got Michael Owen. Channel wrong, got Jordan Henderson. Tanacon, you got Andy Robertson. And channel wrong, got Salah as well, so good luck. Chelsea, Christian Pulisic, Koenig, Brian, you got Mason Mount. Kai Havertz is Victor. Good luck, good luck. And Thierry Henry's Poor Bandidos, Bukayo Saka is Wei Chong. And Vieira is channel wrong, good luck. Derek, you got Son Heung-min and the Hurricane combo for Spurs. Good luck, buddy. And Magnus, you got Wolves. Jonathan, Mohan, you got Leeds. Derek, you got WBA. Channel wrong is Newcastle. Mark, you got Everton. Channel wrong is Southampton. Sam Ellis, you got Fulham. And channel wrong, you got Sheffield. Alright, so there are some teams and players remain unsold. So basically, we already set up a 11 spot, 11 winners. Alright, so top of the list, we got Manchester United. 4 players, Martial, Shaw, Maguire, and Fosu. Second, we got Man City, whole team. And then number 3, we got Arsenal, 7 players. Ozil is in that combo. So good luck. And then Chelsea, 8 players. We got Giroud and the rest of the players. And number 5, we got Tottenham Hotspurs, 10 players. So Dele Ali is together with Tanganga is in that combo as well. And then number 6, you got West Ham. Number 7, Aston Villa. Number 8, Crystal Palace. Number 9, Leicester City. Number 10 is Brighton. 11 is Burnley. Alright, so let's bring out our contestants for this filler. So thanks again for the fill. Appreciate that. Alright, we got Tommy, spot number 1 and 2. Good luck. Dari, you got 3 and 4. Tan, you got number 5. Theory, number 6. JC, you got 3 spot in this one. Good luck. Tommy also got 3 spot. Cyrus got spot number 10. And Tommy, you got spot number 11 as well. Alright. So here we go. Here we go. So let us just roll the dice. Sneak Eyes is a reroll, otherwise we go with it. Going in 8 times. Good luck. 8 times. Here we go. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, 8 is the final. Good luck, everybody. We are going 8 times. Next one is the final. Good luck. And number 8. Got, wow, Tommy, unbelievable. 8 times. 8 times. Tony scores again. Alright, let's see who got what. Okay. There you go. Here's the result. Give me some time. I post the result on the Facebook as well. Alright, in the meantime, let me update the list real quick. All right, congrats, Tommy. You got Man U, 4 players, and also Man City. Nice one. And then JC, you got Arsenal, 7 players. Mesut Ozil is on top of that. Tan Zeng Ying, you got Chelsea, 8 players. With Oliver Giroud. Derek, you got the Tottenham. Oh, basically you got all the Tottenham. All right. Okay, JC, you got West Ham. Cyrus, you got Aston Villa. Tommy, you got Crystal Palace. JC, you got Leicester City. Derek, you got Brighton. And last but not least, Theory, you got Burnley. Alright, there you go. So the list is final. And here we go. Alright, very quiet day. I think it's Friday night. Everyone is enjoying themselves. Let's go. Good luck. 1 case, 8 box break. Here we go. Okay, as usual, let's do the sorting. Okay, here we go. Box number 1. Good luck. Let's go. Box number 1. Hey guys, next EPL stuff we have is EPL Prism. I'm trying to do a PYP. I'm still waiting for a confirmation from the suppliers. So once supplier actually give me a go ahead, and then I should be able to announce it. All right, on the this next EPL Prism PYP. Alright, good luck. Got a facing backwards cards. Save it. Okay, couple of Cosmac, I think. Alright, and this one, all card shape, alright? All card shape. Good luck. Yeremina. Revolution Supersonic. We got Bert Lano, Arsenal. And we got a Connor Horian Infinite for Aston Villa. Got a Christian Pulisic. Nice one. How about Aubameyang Disco for Arsenal? Aubameyang. Oba. Captain Jake Livermore for West Brom. Then we got our first Cosmac is for Wolverhampton, Pedro Neto. Pedro Neto. This one is 65 of 75 Cosmac. We don't put any Cosmac on it, so we just put cubics or anything better. All right. Welcome, guys. Friday night. Our first easy peasy. Crystal Palace. Who got Palace in the filler? Crystal Palace is Tommy. Tommy got Crystal Palace. West Brom, Matt Phillips. Disco. Future Revolutions, Tammy Abraham. For Chelsea, son goes to Chelsea other spot. Tammy Abraham. There you go. And we have a Callum Wilson. Newcastle. Infinites. And ooh, it's a variation. Nice one. It's not upside down. Riyad Mahrez, Man City. Tommy. There you go. Our first variations. Got a rookie Gabriel. Che Adams, Southampton, Disco. Harry Kane, Spurs. We got a email craft for Newcastle. Email craft Newcastle, Disco. And a Disco for Wolverhampton is Ruben Neves. Ruben Neves. Alright, good luck. Spacing backwards. Is it an autograph? Yep, it is an autograph. Alright, so who's it gonna be? Red team. Red team. With or with a logo. With logo is that team. Without logo is Man U. It's with is West Ham. Who got West Ham? JC Nafila, Lucas Fabianski. Before that, we got a Wilfred Zaha Disco. Alright. Lucas Fabianski. There you go, buddy. Lucas Fabianski, West Ham. Nice one. First autograph goes to JC. Keep going, box number 2. Come on, we need a red stars, some gold stars and galactic as well. Come on, we need something cool. I don't think we pull a 1-on-1 in this Revolution before. Did we pull a 1-on-1 Revolution? I don't think so, right? Don't think so. Let's pull a 1-of-1. What do you call a 1-of-1? The kaleidoscope or some scope, something like that. Some scope. Okay, let's go. Facing backwards. Okay, good luck. N'Golo Kante. Milcraft. Disco. Charlie Taylor. Burnley. We got a captain cards. Ban me. Also for Burnley. Ban me. Captain card. And then we got a Kaboom. Casper Schmeichels for Leicester City. Kaboom. Kaboom look alike. And our first Conor Gallagher, West Brom, nice one. WBA is Derek. Alright, Derby days coming. Good luck. How about a Sebastian Haller and Timo Werner? Alright. West Ham is JC. And then Timothy Werner is Mr. Lee. So we're gonna do a random. Unless we got 2 of this and each of you guys got 1. Otherwise, I'm gonna do a random for all the Derby days. Lucas Dickney, Everton, Infinite. Rookie Ollie Watkins, Aston Villa. And Future Revolution, we got a Christian Pulisic. Nice one. Future Revolutions. And Cosmac, Hugo Lloris for the Spurs. This one goes to Derek. Derek got mostly all the Spurs. 54 of 75. Cosmac. I have City and Crystal Palace and what else? And Manchester United 4 players. Martial, Luke Shaw, Harry Maguire, and Timothy Fosu Mesa. There you go, buddy. Welcome, Tommy. Matthew Kovacic, Daniel James, and ooh, nice one. How about a Kaboom Billy Gilmore? That is very nice. Who got Gilmore? Is it Kelvin? Nice rookie, Gilmore. Ryan Chong. Alright, that's pretty cool. Ryan, there you go, buddy. Rookie Impact. It's not Kaboom, but it's called Impact in this one. Nice Mason Greenwood. Disco. Ooh, okay. Out by Sun Heung-min Supersonic. There you go. Supersonic, Mr. Sun. And behind is the Infinite Issa Diop West Ham. Supersonic. Mason Greenwood. Hey, what's up? Dragon Mugen. Dragon Mugen. Alright, is it auto or variations? Alright, on being big team. Leicester City. Casper Schmeichels. Second variations for tonight. There you go. Alright, box number 3. Good luck. Where are the Ronaldo? Where are the Beckhams? Let's go. Alright, here we go. Good luck. Is it facing backwards card? Yes, we do have one. Facing backwards. Good luck. Here we go. Let's go. Come on, at least give me a Cubics or Sunburst or something. Liam Cooper. We got a Infinite Emil Kraft. Rookie. Newcastle. Newcastle is Chanarong. And we got a Bruno Fernandes. Nice one. Disco. Bruno Fernandes. Future Revolution. We got Matthew Longstaff for Newcastle again. Then we got a Thiago Silva. Disco. Chelsea. Got a Rashford. Grady Diargana, West Brom again. A lot of nice RC in this one, West Brom. West Brom, yep, correct. Thomas Souchak, Fractal. West Ham, Thomas Souchak. Fractal. Infinite Matheus Click, Leeds United. Andrew Steven, Sheffield, Disco. Look sure, and we got a Kaleido coming up. Before that, we got a Liam Cooper, Captain Cards, Leeds United. And Kaleido is Caleb Robinson. Alright, West Brom again. WBA doing alright. 36 of 50. Kaleido. Okay, let's put Kaleido slightly over here. Okay. Kastigny. Granite Shaka, let's go. And is it? We have another. Ooh, nice one. How about a. Give me a Dele Ali Infinite at the back first. Infinite Dele Ali. Alright, and we got our second derby. It's Manchester United, Marcus Rashford, and Mohamed Salah. So, Rashford, Victor, Salah, channel wrong. You guys gonna fight it out again? Okay, let's check it out. What's this? Okay, is it a okay, it's a legend. It's a legend. Come on, give me a Beckham or Ronaldo, please. Beckham or Ronaldo. Manchester United. Alright. Good luck. It is a Ronaldo. Nice one. Ronaldo, of course, is Channel wrong. Channel wrong got both Ronaldo and Beckham this one. So good luck. What do you mean? It's like every time we pull a Ronaldo legend, it will be a Ronaldo autograph? I don't know. It's just non-official things over here. Yep. 2 times we pull Ronaldo auto. Both actually with this legend card. So I'm not sure whether or not it is a confirmed thing, but let's hope a Ronaldo auto will be nice. Box number 4. Good luck. Here we go. Box number 4. Hey, hi guys, welcome. You are watching live now. We are doing this SBB number 941 EPL Revolution Soccer 1 case 8 box break. Thanks again for the fill. This is PYT number 1313. There you go. Okay, you got a facing backwards card over here. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Disco Musa Sissoko for the Spurs. Musa Sissoko. Alright. Disco Josh Onama for Fulham. And then a Aymeric Laporte for Man City. Disco. Future Revolutions, Michael Obafemi for Southampton. Leeds United, Lee Mossad, Infinite. Gareth Bale. Leicester City, Wilfred Ndidi. Super, alright. Ooh, wow. I saw it wrongly. Thought it's an easy piece, but it's not. Supersonic, Timo Werner, Chelsea. And a Cosmic, James Rodriguez, Everton. Ooh, Everton is marked. 19 of 50. 1-9. 19. Give me a moment. Oops, sorry about that. Let's do it. Fabianski, Jones, Kyle Edwards. We got a Sheffield is John Langstrom, Disco, first Jack Grealish, and Jamal Lascelles. This one is captain for Newcastle, and behind is the infinite of Aubameyang. Aubameyang. Okay, is it an autograph or it is a just a insert? Good luck. All right, auto. Here we go. Good luck. Like this. Okay. Oops. Sorry. Over here. All right. Who's it gonna be? Good luck. Come on. Give me a nice one, please. Big boy. It is a Eric Dyer for Tottenham Hotspurs. Who got the Dyers and Lamela combo? Hey, Kevin. Kevin, there you go, buddy. Kevin, yo. Yo, yo. There you go. All right. That's not bad. First half done. All right. Let's do the second half. Okay. Let's do it. Okay, let's go. Box number 5. Second half. Hey guys, welcome. You are watching live now. We are doing Revolution Soccer EPL. Good luck, good luck. Let's put it over here. Box number 5. Alright, so after this, I think I only left immaculate 2-box break on the page, and then tomorrow I should be able to release some EPL Prism. Alright, I'll try to do a PYP because most of you guys actually request me to do the PYP instead, so I'll try my best to see how should I do the PYP. And in the meantime, that we will also give more I think I will have one more EPL score as well, so if you guys want to do some EPL score, I have some boxes coming in, so that will be more details will be listed over the weekend, so stay tuned. Elon Meister, we got Lucas Digne, Disco. Ooh, okay. Oh, this is a Derby Days, is it? Oh, yep. Derby Days, we got Crystal Palace and Brighton. Vincent Gueda and Matthew Ryan. So, Crystal Palace, Tommy, Brighton, Derek. Wow. How many Derby Days we have today? At least 3, right? Yep, 3 already, Derby Days. Okay, so just keep all the Derby Days at one over here. Okay. It's much more easier. Infinite, we got Nathan Redmond. for Southampton, Nathan Redmond. More Bruno. About first Martial. Disco, very nice. Kai Havertz, Martial, Firmino. Supersonic, we got Paul Pogba. Supersonic, and Wilfred Zaha Infinite. This one is for Crystal Palace. Actually, Crystal Palace hits a lot. Eric Garcia, and we got a Michael Hector Disco Fulham. We got a Captain Casper Schmeichels. Behind, I believe, is a Cosmac. So good luck. Captain for Leicester City. Cosmac. Very nice. Out by Kai Havertz. Alright, who got Kai Havertz? Kai Havertz. Victor Lee again. Wow. Victor. Kai Havertz, Cosmac Revolutions. 3 of 50. Not the high-low number, but 3 is a very nice number as well. Congrats, Kai Havertz. Daniel James, you got a Tommy Doyle rookie, Man City. And finish up a Fractal Ruben Neves for the Wolverhampton. Friday night. So are you guys excited about reopening the border? I saw a lot of people actually planning to hang out in the Mama today. Finally, you can hang with Mama. I think until late, right? Until late. Ooh, wow. Okay. This one is a wow. This. Oh wow. Cubic autograph. Let's go. Cubic's autograph. And another legend. Come on. Give me a David Beckham, please. Arsenal. Matteo Flamini. Before that, we got a Rafinha. Nice one. Infinite. There you go. Leeds is... Who is that? Jonathan. There you go, buddy. Very nice. Rafinha. Infinite. Rookie. And the Legends. Flamini. Who got the Legends combo? Lee Ming-chai. There you go, buddy. There you go. It's kind of hard to get Flamini. And auto, okay lah, Onna. This one is, I think, is one of the legendary auto, but it is blue, so it could be Chelsea, or it could be, okay, it could be Chelsea, or it could be, I don't know. It could be Chelsea, or it could be Tottenham. Let's go. It could be, it's only Peter Cech or Ruben Van, who is that guy? Van der Vaart. So if it's Peter Cech, it's JC. Van der Vaart is Jonathan Mohan. So good luck. Cubics auto. I believe it's 50 or lower. Ruben? Wow, Rafael Van der Vaart. Nice one. Cubics. Legendary auto. There you go, man. Very nice. 35 of 50. Jonathan Mohan. VDV. Let's go. Very nice. To 50 Cubics autograph. Okay. Very nice. All right, box number 6. We got one auto to go. Let's hope it is a good one. I don't think Van der Vaart is a case hit. I don't think he is a case hit. I don't think he's a case hit. But it's a nice it's Cubics auto. So it's a nice Cubics auto for sure. All right, good luck. Box number 6. So the bad things about the red star and the gold star and the galactic is if you pull any 3 of them, which means that case is not a case hit. You do not have a case hit auto. So the red stars, gold stars, and the galactic is the case hit insert. So if you got that one, you don't have a autograph case hit auto. So good and bad, I can say, but we do like to see a case hit auto and a galactic or gold or yellow red stars. Okay, let's go. Box number 6. Good luck. Oliver McBurney, Sheffield. And then we got a Alisson Disco. We got a Leandro Trossard for Brighton Infinite. And a nice Phil Foden Disco. Very nice. Man City infielder Tommy. Phil Foden. And wow, really? How many derby days we must get for this one? N'Golo Kante and Granit Xhaka. Alright, Granit Xhaka is Liam Moss. N'Golo Kante is Roman. Okay. 4 derby days. Unbelievable. 4 derby days. All I can say is good luck. West Ham, Infinite, Mikel Antonio. Conor Gallagher, base RC. Got a Dele Ali Disco. Bukayo Saka. First Saka. Captain is Billy Sharp. And behind is Spurs Davison Sanchez as our Cosmac. Also belongs to Spurs others. Derek. Wow, Derek. 59 of 75 Cosmac. There you go. Nice Cosmac. Jamie Vardy. Fractal Sander Birch. Nice one. Sheffield. And a Mason Mouth Disco. There you go. Alright, 2 facing backwards card. Let's see. What do we have? Okay, let's try this one. This one is a... Alright, it's an auto. It's an auto, so good luck. Who's it gonna be? No logo! Uh-oh! Okay. Alright, I think it's what? Marcus Rashford, maybe? I don't know. Looks like it's Marcus Rashford. Next one. A Kaboom! Kyle Barkley. Oh, so this is a case hit. Marcus Rashford. Wow, sorry. Beckham, sorry. Ronaldo. Wow. Marcus Rashford is our case hit. Boo boo. Boo 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 boo. Boo 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 boo. Okay, so that means that there is no red stars, gold stars, whatsoever stars. Okay, I hope it's not correct, but I think this is the case hit. Marcus Rashford. Congrats to Victor. Nice one. Alright, so what is this? It's just another legend maybe? or variations. Variations. We got a Soyuncu. Then we have Kevin De Bruyne. All right, not pull Kevin De Bruyne. Very. It's kind of rare. I don't really recall we pull a Kevin De Bruyne variations. Okay, that's 2 boxes to go. Good luck, everybody. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay. All right, let's go. Box number 7. Let's go pack by pack. Future Revolutions, we got Ben Golfi, Everton, and Jan Barnett, Infinite. Ben Chilwell, RC, not Ben Chilwell, Billy Gilmore, RC, and a Hakim Ziyech, Disco. Son Heung-min, Captain Cesar Spilicueta, Captain Card, and a NZ Kozar, Aston Villa. Number 68 of 75, Kaleido. Aston Villa, siapa ada Aston Villa? Cyrus. Kaleido. And so we got a marvelous Nakamba, another Aston Villa, nice one. Cyrus again. 2 number card, and a Callum Wilson Disco at the back. Nakamba, this one is 39 of 75. Cosmic. Harry Kane Supersonic. And then James Tarkowski Infinites. Got a Tyrick Mitchell Crystal Palace, and also Crystal Palace is Canote Fractal. Oops, I did it again. Supersonic, we got James Madison, Leicester City, and Mac Target, Aston Villa. Let's go. And finish off with the box. We have a Hugo Lloris Disco for the Spurs. And nice one. How about Curtis Jones? Infinite Rookie for Liverpool. Curtis Jones. Krensack. Alright, find a box. Good luck. Box number 8. Good luck. After this, I'm going to do a random to determine the winners for the Derby days. We don't get a single Cubics cards. It's only have one Cubics auto. That's all. Cubics auto. So maybe 1 Cubics or 1 Sunburst in this one maybe. One time please. Come on. Sunburst. Cubics. Let's go. Dean Henderson, Future Revolutions. And a Connor Horian, Aston Villa. James Madison's, James Justin's, and a Gareth Bale for the Spurs. Disco Gareth Bale. Our first showstopper is Nick Pope for Burnley. Showstopper Nick Pope. And finish off a Lucas Moura Infinite for the Spurs. James Madison, Disco, Leicester City. Really? No. We got a Tyrone Mings Supersonic. And finish off with a Liam Cooper for Leeds United. Cosmic, 25 of 50. Welcome, Roman. It's the Kaboom only, Billy Gilmore. Nothing big. Saka number 2. Got a Fabian Shaw Disco and another Conor Gallagher. We got tons of Conor Gallagher. I think 3 Conor Gallagher, I believe. Come on, where is my Sunburst? Mason Mount. We got a Ryan Brewster for Sheffield and a Kevin Phillips Rookie Infinite. Very nice for Leeds United. Kevin Phillips. Last pack. Let's go. Maupay, Kai Havertz, Disco, Marvelous, Nakamba, Aston Villa, and finish off a Addison, Man City, Disco. Alright. That's the case, guys. Let's do a quick Derby Days random. Good luck to all Derby Days participants. Alright, so we're gonna do the up, up, down, down, random. Alright, so after the random result, if the result is up, so this card belongs to Mohamed Salah. So this one belongs to Matthew Ryan. This one belongs to Timo Werner, and this one belongs to Granit Xhaka if the result is up. However, if the result is down, so this card belongs to N'Golo Kante. This one is Sebastian Haller, West Ham. This one is for Crystal Palace. And this one is for Marcus Rashford. Alright, so good luck. Just do one time up and down random to determine who's gonna walk away with this Derby Days. Alright, so up, up, down, down. Good luck. As usual, let us just roll the dice. Snake Eyes is a reroll. 7 times, we go with it. Good luck, 7 times. Good luck, 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next one is the final. Good luck, everybody. And 7. 7. 7. Goes to up. Alright, 7 times. So all the Derby Days goes to up. Alright, let's do a recap. Derby Days is up. Okay, let's do a recap. Right, we got Curtis Jones, Infinite, Liverpool, Rookie. Variation Riyad Mahrez, Man City, and variations Leicester City is Kasper Schmeichels. Got a legend Matthew Flamini for Arsenal. Alright, some Cosmic and some Kaleido, but mostly Cosmic. I only got like one Kaleido. Wow, let's do the Kaleido. NZ Kozar. Only one Kaleido for Aston Villa, 68 of 75. Alright, Cosmic, Liam Cooper. Leeds, 25 of 50. Aston Villa, Marvelous Nakamba. 39 of 75. 39 of 75. Tottenham Hotspur, Davison Sanchez. 59 of 75. Got a James Rodriguez for Everton. James Rodriguez, 19 of 50. Got a Hugo Lloris for the Spurs, 54 of 75. And we have a Pedro Neto for the Wolves, 65 of 75. Variations, Man City again. This time is Kevin De Bruyne. Nice one. KDB. We got two Kaleido, in fact. Callum Robertson, West Brom, 36 of 50. Got a Billy Gilmore, Impact. Billy Gilmore, Impact, not numbered. It's just a normal rookie. It's a nice one. You got a Kai Havertz, Cosmic for Chelsea. Nice one. 3 of 50. 3 of 50. Derby days after randoms goes to the up spot. So this Derby day goes to Mohamed Salah. This one goes to Brighton, Matthew Ryan. This one goes to Chelsea, Timo Werner. This one goes to Granit Xhaka for Arsenal. Granit Xhaka, Arsenal. Alright, autograph, Lucas Fabianski, West Ham. Base auto, Fabianski. Also base auto for Tottenham Hotspurs, Eric Dyer. Base autograph, Eric Dyer. And also from Tottenham, Cubics autograph, legendary auto, 35 of 50, or Rafael van der Vaart. Nice one, Cubics, very nice. Okay, and the legends are Cristiano Ronaldo. Legend Cristiano Ronaldo, it's just a base legend. And we got a Marcus Rashford. Nice one, that's a case hit. There you go, buddy. Marcus Rashford. Alright guys, that does it for our Revolution Soccer SBB number 941. Thanks again everyone for the fill. Appreciate that. I'll see you guys. No, weekends I will take it off, but tomorrow I'm gonna release 2 breaks, 1 EPL score and 1 EPL prism. So make sure that you stay tuned. The prism is a PYP, so I'm just working out. See how I can combo the PYP or something. Alright.